Hello everyone, I am Aniket Dattatreya Tekle. Today I am talking about drug targets and cell receptors. So let's start. Drug targets are nothing but the targeted drug delivery is a method of delivering medication to a patient in a manner that increases the concentration of the medication in some parts of the body relative to the others. Next point is classification of drug targeting. Drug targeting has been classified into three types. First one is first order, second order, and third order. In that first order, it refers to restricted distribution of the drug carrier system to the capillary bed of a predetermined target site, organ or tissue, compartmental targeting in lymphatic peritoneal cavity, cerebral ventricles, lungs, joints, eyes, etc. In second order, the selective delivery of drugs to a specific cell type such as tumor cells and not to the normal cells is referred as second order drug targeting. The selective drug delivery to the Kupffer cells in the liver exemplifies this approach. Next one is third order. In the third order targeting is defined as drug delivery specifically to the intracellular site of target cells. The receptor based ligand mediated entry of drug complex into a cell by endocytosis, lysosomal degradation of carrier followed by release of drug intracellularly, or gene delivery to nucleolus is an example for this approach. Next point is receptors. Receptors are nothing but the proteins which specifically recognize a particular neurotransmitter, hormone, and upon binding undergo a conformation change leading to activation, inhibition of cell signaling. Four main families of receptors. First one is ligand gated ion channels, that also known as inotropic receptors. Second one is G protein coupled receptors. Third one is tyrosine kinase cytokine receptors or enzyme linked receptor, and fourth one is nuclear or steroid hormone receptors. So first one is ligand gated ion channels. In that location is membrane. Effector is ion channel. Coupling is direct. Examples of ligand gated ion channels is nicotinic and GABA. Structure of ligand gated ion channels is oligometric assembly of subunits surrounding 4. Second one is G protein coupled receptor. Its location is membrane. Effector is channel or enzyme. Coupling of G protein coupled receptor is G protein. Examples of GPCR is dopamine, cannabinoid, adenosine, muscarinic, GABA B. Structure of GPCR is monomeric structure of 7 transmembrane domains. Third one is kinase linked receptors. Location is membrane. Effector is enzyme. Coupling of kinase linked receptor is direct. Examples of kinase linked receptor is insulin, growth factor, and cytokine. Structure is single transmembrane helix linking extracellular receptor to intracellular kinase domain. And last one is nuclear receptor. Is location is intracellular. Effector is gene transcription. Coupling is via DNA. Examples of nuclear receptor is steroid, thyroid, hormone receptors. Structure of nuclear receptor is monomeric structure with a separate receptor and DNA binding domains. These are all about cell receptors and drug targets. Thank you.